Ready?
Yep.
Okay. Now you're looking
on this? Oh, there is.
Yeah, there is.
I'm gonna use that for the first time. Really. Probably smart to have. How do I start this?
The left stick is your driving, and your right stick controls the bucket.
Right stick controls the bucket. Forward moves the bucket down. I'm guessing backward moves it up.
There's a little picture down there underneath your phone that'll tell you. So every time you get in, you got to put the lap bar on. You don't need the seatbelt, but you need the lap bar.
What's the lap bar?
It's above your head.
Oh.
It's like in a roller coaster.
Yeah, there's a rear view mirror.
Yep.
The backup camera, I'm guessing, is this.
Yeah.
The rear view is really shallow.
It won't work with the door open either.
Alright, hold on.
So, if it was first thing in the morning, you'd have to hold the key to the left like 4 or 5 seconds to warm up the glow plug. Yeah. But it's not first thing in the morning, so you just started turning it to the right.
Okay. Once I do this, will I be able to hear you still?
Yeah.
Oh, this is fun.
Okay. Put it back down.
Oh, that's fast.
Yeah. And it gets real tippy when you have it up high, especially with the load on. You have to tip the bucket back. Okay, now use the right joystick and move forward and back.
The left joystick.
Yeah. Now, all the way, now flip that green switch. Now push the left switch all the way forward.
Left switch.
The left joystick. Is it all the way forward into the detent?
Yes.
That should be going straight, but it doesn't. It drifts to the right. You know anything about joystick drift? You're going to have to correct a little bit every once in a while. We're going straight by going a little bit over to the left. Everyone I've ever driven has some sort of a drift to it. Sure.
You sure? Really bad at this right now. Oh, is it?
If all you do is drive, let me flip this around so I can see.
Open up the door. Is it this?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hold on. So all you do is drive and you don't move the bucket, I'm just fine. If you move the bucket, I'll have problems. Maybe I should hold on to something. I definitely should hold on to something.
I know that he's 19 now, and if he were working at a job that used the skid steer, he'd probably be taught how to use it, but it's just easier for me not to watch these things.
A little lower. A little lower. Yeah, a little lower. Okay. Now drive. Yep, perfect. Drive into the pile. Hit it like you mean it. Keep driving. You got a tank.
What?
Keep driving. You're driving a tank. Okay. Now tip the bucket back. All the way back. Now wiggle the stick back and forth from all the way, yep, all the way back. Then all the way back hard. Make sure it wiggles in there good. Think that's good? What sites do we need to go to? You notice it's nose heavy now?
Huh?
Does it feel more nose heavy now?
I do not know.
Should you be able to lower the bucket out? Does the door open?
Yes.
Huh, looks like you could do this job by yourself.
The speed of wheelbarrow?
Yep. Okay, which one are we, what site are we driving to now?
The next one. Most of them need gravel. So
Okay.
I'll just drive to the site and you follow me, I guess.
Sounds good.
Taking a water break.
You think that's allowed? You're driving a machine.
I can't hear you.
It's probably good.
Not that much movement.
No. So you auger a hole, you put a post in that hole, you put all the dirt back in the hole, and you still need more dirt? How does this make sense?
Because you pack it in the ground more than the dirt was originally packed in, you know?
You're saying you sledgehammered it into the ground good.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll buy that.
Also, some of the dirt is lost around it. As you
Yeah.
have to make a pile there, you can see a lot of dirt that's still there.
Yeah, I get that too.
That I just couldn't get because it's mixing with grass now.
Be careful of the pole behind you!
What?
Be careful of the pole behind you!
Oh, yeah.
trust him over my shoulder here? Or should I watch him? He seems pretty trustworthy, especially at idle. He doesn't throttle it up very often. As I say that, he throttles it up a little.